Hi, today I want to discuss about AWS SageMaker Autopilot. I want to create an experiment on AWS SageMaker Autopilot. So for this, as you know, we need to open that AWS SageMaker, AWS SageMaker AI in AWS console. Then you have to click that Open Studio. First of all, we need to create the domain for this. I think it was covered in previous sessions. So once you click the Open Studio, it will open like this. I already clicked that one. Then you need to open that Autopilot. If you go to AutoML, you click this AutoML. Autopilot option will come. Then you have to click this Open in Canvas. You have to select this Autopilot, and you have to click this Open in Canvas. Once you open this, Canvas will open. Basically what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do, I want to create a data set first from S3 bucket or local. Then I want to use that data set for build, analyze and prediction and deploy that model. Basically I want to create a model using Autopilot AWS SageMaker. So this is what I am trying to do. So for this, in summary, what we are doing that. First one is preparing the data set and uploading data set into Canvas. Then prepare that data set inside Canvas, data wrangler also we can use for transformations. And create a model in Canvas and choose that target column. Uh, to predict which column you want to predict. You can select multiple columns or a single column, whatever you want, and we can monitor that model. And we can export the analysis predictions. We can do the deployment for generated prediction. We can uh, we can generate a real-time VA for using deploy. So for preparing the data set, we go to data set in the left hand side. You can import the data set. Yeah, want to use tabular. You can import tabular one, image one, on document one also. So if you want, I have already I have tabular data file. So click that data file and create the data file, and you can select from local. If you selected this as local, you can select from this local. If it is already uploaded in AWS 3, you can select from here also. See, you have my local. So you can select this and preview data set, and it will data set will be created. I have uploaded my data in local. So this data set I have selected here. So after this, let me create one more model. I want to do new model. First go to my models. Then for predictive analysis, using tablet predictive analysis and image analysis and text analysis, we can do three types of problems. Here, predictive analysis mainly deals with the tabular dataset. Image analysis mainly deals with the image dataset, and text analysis usually deals with the tabular datasets. Mostly tabular dataset. It will analyze based on the text. So since I have the tabular dataset, let me scenario based. Let me go to this predictive analysis. So once you create the model, you need to select the dataset. Since I have already created one dataset using the local CSV file, I have downloaded the one CSV file and I am uploading that in I'm uploading that in Canvas. So I already created this data set in the dataset section. So I'm selecting that data set. Once it's selected, so you have to the data set contains this many columns. So ticket, it is a Titanic data set. Ticket survived, sex, passenger class, passenger ID, park, name, fare. This many columns are there. So you can select your own column here for column to predict. So suppose we can select on sex, like how many males are, how many females are there. So you can select multiple columns here. So click the quick build. It will validate your data. It will take some time actually. Once it is done, we have to click that analyze one. It will show you analysis. And once it's done, we need to click the predict one. It will show you predictions. Then we can deploy the data set. It will create a real time endpoint. Based on that real time endpoint, we can test our model. So this is how we can create models in Autopilot using AWS SageMaker. This is very quick and we can generate within our models here. It is taking some time. Actually, I already let it take time. Actually, I already created this model. Let me show you what I did here. This data set. This data set and so yeah, I'm opening the model. Actually, I've selected the here surveyed option. I have selected how many people are surveyed. So based on this here in the build section, I use the target column as surveyed. In the analyze one, so we can it is analyzing based on the surveyed option. So here see impact and prediction name. Suppose if you click there, yeah, these are the analysis. Me and my so how much percentage server for this person. So you can see here the data like this. You can check here based on the see prediction is same, y-axis is same, x-axis will change. Like we can analyze based on each column how much prediction is done. So yeah, you can analyze like this for passenger ID using age, using where is sex, using sex also you can do how many males and females are surveyed. I think females are surveyed more compared to male. So we can do this one. After this, we can go to predict tab and we can click the you can select the batch prediction or single prediction. You can select any one of that, and you can select automatic. If you select automatic, then autopilot will do the prediction for you. You can select manual. Once you click the manual, it will give the manual prediction, and you can see I already done this. You can see this prediction also. It's already done. You can download this prediction. You can view also. Spouse. Yeah, we can do like this. I've already downloaded this prediction. You can download analysis also. Yeah, you can see here this CSV file. Yeah. So Yeah, these are the prediction data here. See, survey, all the columns are downloaded, and how much probability is there for each passenger it is giving here, and surveyed, whether he is surveyed or not. So it's giving that also. Mostly females are surveyed here. So this is the prediction data, and analysis data also I have downloaded. This is analysis data. So, and after this prediction tab, we can go to deploy tab, and we can deploy that this data set here. And sorry, I forgot one thing. For predicting tab, if you select batch prediction and manual, we need to select this data set in the from datasets section, and you can apply manual or automatic. It will create this prediction model. Once the prediction is done, we need to go to deploy section, and then to deploy this data here. So, but I don't have, we need to create this deployment. You need to click this deployment, and you can select this data set, and you can deploy this. You can select this model, and we can deploy this model. It will create a real time endpoint. Once you click this, then endpoint will open, and you can you can test that model. So this is how we can build the model, analyze the model, predict the model, and deploy the model. Since I don't have the permission, so I'm unable to show you the how to deploy our application. But in real-time projects, what I have done, so once I click this create a deployment, you can select that model, and you can click the deploy. Then it will create a real-time endpoint for you. So this is how we can do model deployment in AWS SageMaker Autopilot. So I think you got a clear idea for this. Thank you.